Unfortunately for you guys, I'm a toothless reseller. Unfortunately for me, eBay just doesn't like me. But I do have some orders to pull. They're off of Mercari. I think there's three. eBay fortunately did break their streak with me of not getting anything sold on there. I went 20 solid days without getting a single order, but then somebody bought some toy part, so they got shipped out. Let's go pull these orders right quick.
The first thing that sold was one of these Cabbage Patch dolls here. Now, this bag used to be loaded down with Cabbage Patch dolls, but they sell so dang fast, it's ridiculousness. So, we got this one right here. This one's kind of a cool one. It's kind of like a fat one. So, we'll get this, and then we'll go get the rest of the stuff. So, this was item number 1 off of Mercari. So, item number 2 would be the DVD called Gigi, which should be right there. I know where pretty much every DVD is, so yeah, that works out. Now we gotta go find DVD number 3. Technically DVD number 2, it's item number 3, which I do believe this one should be in this drawer, if I'm not, let's see here. Actually it's right here. Let's see which one. Yep, that would be it. James Taylor Live. Now that I'm not running around upstairs, downstairs, now we got everything here. This is what sold on Mercari, as in yesterday, today. Today is Saturday. So we got this guy, or I'm not sure if it's a girl or boy, but it is a Cabbage Patch doll. It didn't sell for much. This is one of the last ones, so obviously it is what it is. We got the movie Gigi. I think that's how it's pronounces Gigi or Dodger. I don't know. So we got that. And then we got the James Taylor Live DVD. So today's Saturday, so on Sunday is mostly when I get most of my orders. That's why I just went ahead and pulled these ones, so that way I don't gotta do as much tomorrow. Well, I was pulling those orders and I was talking. I didn't realize I had another order come in. And again, it's off Mercari, so let's see here. It's supposed to be one of these little action figures. So let's see, in here I can see it from right here. I do believe this is the one. Yep, that's the one. I guess his name's Kyo Ren. But yep, that one just sold. I'll put that up on the screen. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I gotta get these things packaged.